Okay, attribute sets, examples 1. We need to solve 8 puzzles. Then there's this question mark operator, which is explained here. And to get an idea about built-in functions, you can visit this link. This is used built-ins here, and some are used from the lib. So this is actually lib.remove adders. So let's see what this is. Replace all x, everything should evaluate to true. Okay, let's see. Arrow here is adders. So what is an attribute set? lib.isAdders basically is true for an attribute set. So this works. Good. We can also give in the empty attribute set. Works so too. Very good. Next one. Attr.a. So this references inside the attribute set value. So this is also then, this is a string then. Let's see. It's good. Next one. So this, we already know the value here. This is the a. So basically this is the key inside here. But if we want to have that based on an attribute, based on this attribute s here, then we can write it in this way. So s is bound to b. So we take the b. So this should be the 1. Neo, you're the 1. This is correct. Neo is the 1. This one. Attr vals. There's also attr values. So attr vals cb from attr should be the values extracted. So c and b should be true and b is 1. So let's see. Okay, that's correct. And then attr values of attr. Say you don't know what it is and you want to see the solution, you can also just remove this and run it again. And then instead of true or false, it writes this here. So sometimes this helps you to understand what a certain function does. This is equivalent to running stuff in the Nix REPL, which helps at times to just play around with the functions so you get a basic understanding. So attr values extracts, it's basically the same as attr vals, except it doesn't take an argument, but it returns everything. So I just copy it from here because I'm lazy, but you get the idea. So this is also true now. Very good. And then this one. So basically this does a Boolean operation. It intersects two sets. And in this case, we use the attr set, which is defined here. And we have this one. And the two common keys are A, then D and B differ, but C is the same. And in this case, it is A equals B. Oops, and C equals empty string. And this is true. And the thing is, it takes precedence from the later set. So this is a set, and this is also a set, and you can see the A was also here bound to A, but it takes the B. Okay. Then remove adders. So from adders, we remove B and C, leaves us with the A. So we put this here. Let's see. True. That's good. And this here is a bit more tricky. So it asks, this here asks if there in attr, if there's something A. And in this case, A is not an attribute itself, but it's basically a string. And the answer is yes, there is one. So this is true, but since it's inverted, it's false. So this must be false then. False equals this false over here means the expression is true. Okay. Next